Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off TikTok profile view history, privacy guide step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Look at the top right corner and tap the menu button with 3 lines. In the menu that opens, tap Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, find the Privacy section and tap Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option called Profile Views. Tap Profile Views to open the Profile View History. If you do not see Profile Views, first update TikTok from the App Store or Google Play. After updating, reopen TikTok and return to Settings and Privacy. Go back into Privacy and look again for Profile Views. Inside Profile Views, locate the toggle that controls Profile View History. Tap the toggle to turn Profile View History off. Confirm that the toggle changes to the off position. Understand that when you turn this off, you will not see who viewed your profile. Also note that other people will not see that you viewed their profile. If TikTok asks for confirmation, tap Turn Off or Confirm. Return to your profile to ensure the setting is applied. To double-check, open the menu again from the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy again to re-enter the settings screen. Tap Privacy and then open Profile Views one more time. Verify that Profile View History is still switched off. If it switches back on, check if you are using multiple accounts on the same device. Switch accounts and repeat the same steps for each account you use. If you use TikTok on another phone or tablet, repeat these steps there too. For extra privacy, consider setting your account to private in the Privacy menu. You can also review who can message you and who can comment under Privacy. Close the settings screen and continue using TikTok with Profile View History disabled. If the option is missing entirely, your account may not have the feature yet, so check again later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.